scalp is giving what it needs to give. Like, it really is scalping. Like, this scalp is scalping. It looks really, really good.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you one, two step. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky fresh. My body's so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, one, two step. One, work your body, one, work it, one, work body, one, one, work body, one, work it, one, work body, one, work body, work it, one, work body, one, work body, work it, work body. Everybody get on the floor, crank the body up. When you about to get it on, let me see you. I love it when you two step. Everybody two step. When you about to get it on, like this. Ooh, it don't matter to me. We can dance slow, whichever way the beat drop. Our bodies will slow. Swing it over here, Mr. DJ, and we will like Joe, make the boys say hello, cause they know I'm rocking the big. I know you heard about a lot of good MCs, but they ain't got nothing on me. Because I'm 5'2", I wanna dance with you, and I'm sophisticated fun. I eat me on, and I'm nice and young, best believe I'm number one. Don't stop, everybody get on the floor. Everybody, let me see you two step. I love it when you two step. Everybody two step. Don't stop it. Everybody get on the floor. Crank the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see you one, two step. I love it when you one, two step. Everybody one, two step. We about to get it on. Let me see you one, two step. I love it when you one, two step. Everybody one, two step. We about to get it on. Let me see you one, two step. I love it when you one, two step.
Everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're not new here, hi and welcome. Consider liking, commenting, and subscribe. And if you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So, as you guys saw, I just installed this hair very, very quick and easy. I didn't even glue it because that's how secure that adjustable band, that thick band was. This piece. That's how like tight I have it. Like, it's not going nowhere. This is going to be kind of like a quick, easy, put on and go type of a unit. And that's the kind of install I kind of wanted to go with today's video. So today's video sponsor is Sangtok. I'm gonna put it on the screen just in case I'm messing it up. This is my second time working with them. The first time I worked with them, I reviewed this wig for you guys, and this is the one that I showed you. It was a knotless, I think like 36 inches, something like that, wig, and it's still holding up really, really good. Ends are still intact, and she's pretty old at this point, and she still looks really, really good. Still have so much life to give. So with this unit, I still have really high hopes because this unit really held up. If you are interested in this, you can go on my channel and check. It's on there. It's one of the more recent ones too. Yeah, so because that did so good, I do have high hopes for this. I'm loving the change up. Okay, so this is short. This is short for me, but I'm not hating it actually. It's definitely giving cute summer vibes, vacation hair, quick outing or quick event type hair. It's definitely giving those type of vibes. Typically my braided wigs are very long, 36 inches plus. So to have a 12-inch unit, and this is actually a bob. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like short in the back, and then it gradually gets longer towards the front. Actually has like a little style on top of being a 12-inch unit. Now, these are spring twists. This is their spring twist unit. I'm not sure, like, you know, spring twists, you pull them and they're definitely going to be longer than, you know, what the advertised length is. So I'm not sure if you mousse this down or kind of wet it down, and then if you wanted to pull this hair out some just to give it a little more length for you, that could work as well. But just doing this straight out the box, it's definitely a look, and I can see people liking this because not everybody like just those long butt length braids. So just to have options, it's definitely, you know, a vibe as well. So yeah, I'm liking this. Like I said, this is straight glueless, no adhesive, no nothing. Just literally like a throw on and go. The scalp is giving what it needs to give. Like, it really is scalping. Like, this scalp is scalping. It looks really, really good. It's really, really nice. It looks really, really nice. Of course, with any unit that you get, you also can customize it to your liking. Y'all saw me do my, you know, I just put some face powder over my cap. They do sell brown caps. I just ran out. So I typically would have a brown cap, but I just use my makeup to kind of darken it just a little bit because I'm chocolate. So that white scalp don't really compliment me. I typically, if you're not new here, then you know when it comes to these double lace wigs, this is a double laced unit. I typically cut out that double lace in the front of the unit like so on here, but some of you are requesting me to just do an install with it left on because you were just curious as to what it looks like if I left it alone. So here you go. Here with this install, this is how it looks if you leave it alone. Yeah, this is how it looks. So it's not bad at all. Yeah, definitely not bad. You definitely can milk this more if you use some type of an adhesive or even a lace melt, which is something I want to try out. Even has a lace melt that I do want to pick up and try out with one of these installs. But yeah, this is just what it's looking like if you don't cut it. So if you just left it on, this is what you're gonna get. And then if you want to know what it looks like if you don't cut it, then you can check out any of my previous reviews because I typically do cut them. And spring twist, y'all already know, it's just a light type of a hair anyway. It's Kankaline. This is Kankaline as well. This is a very, very light unit. It feels like nothing is on my head, which I feel like you would appreciate, especially in this season of us just being in the summertime. It is very hot, and all that long hair can get on your nerves when it's just super hot, or you just bouncing around in the streets, you know, because it's summertime. So that long hair can get in the way sometimes. So this just being short, I'm even liking this little flip over look. With this being short, yeah, you definitely get the lightweight feel to this. This is, yeah, I like this. This is definitely a little look. This right here is cute. You can also do, if you wanted to kind of do like half up, and if you don't have rubber bands, y'all, which half the time I don't I don't be having them on hand, you can always take a piece of the hair and use this as a rubber band. Take one piece and just wrap it around and use that strand of hair for a ponytail holder. So this definitely could be a little look. You got a little half up, half down, and it's still giving like that little, you know, that little cut that you have. It's still giving that. So you definitely could play with that. You can also drop two pieces in the front. half up, half down with 2 little hanging pieces. You could tuck that back if you wish and just do the one. Really cute. You could put it all up and twist this around into a bun. A little cute look as well. You get the gist of what I'm trying to do. You could do ponytails. This hair is so cool. It's so bouncy. It is like very, very bouncy. But you get the gist of what I'm saying. Like you can do a ponytail. And it's probably long enough too, just because it's so bouncy, to put it all up into one ponytail. Like on the top of your head. And then probably leave 2 pieces down in the back just to cover that nape, or tie a scarf. If you're just the type that don't really know how to style units, or you know, you just can't think of like a lot of styles to do when it comes to a unit, half the time you do a little side look, you working with something. You pretty much working with something. And don't forget, you guys, you always can still customize these. Like I said, if you want to go back through and put some more powder on your hairline just to have it matching your forehead, do that. If you want to cut out that double lace, like, you know, I typically do, just to get it to look a little more natural, do that. Change the color of your stocking cap if the scalp is just looking too white for you. You know, it's just little hacks that can really make these work and save you time and money from going to the braid shop. You can get the look without the cost. You can get the look without the stress on your natural hair. And you can get the look with the convenience of not having a committed hairstyle. If you have this in for, you know, about 2 weeks and you're tired of it, you can just take this off just like a hat and then go get another one and have a whole nother style, versus you just sat at a braid shop, got your hair done, and it's 2 weeks, you're over it, but you spent the time and the money getting it done, so you kind of have guilt on taking it out. With these wigs, it just gives you the freedom to switch them up whenever you want. And I've done that, y'all. I done had 2 different braided wigs in 1 week before, you know, because that's just the freedom you have, the freedom of choice that you have when it comes to the convenience of these. And also, y'all know I am still like postpartum with my baby, and my hair was just going through it, so I'm still able to get the looks that I do desire to have in the summer without adding additional stress on to my natural hairs. They were also kind enough to give you guys a coupon code, so all their details and links and sales and all that type of stuff that they have going on will definitely be in the description box. Like I said, make sure you check the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Sangtok, for sending this over so I could show the girls what you got going on. And I'm gonna catch you guys in my next one. Bye.